Hello guys, welcome to techvice. Today we have a very special unboxing. We have the GoPro Hero 9, the newest GoPro, and it's a very special unboxing because it has some features that we are been waiting for a long time. So let's start with unboxing after the intro. Okay, let's start with the unboxing. This is very special, as I said, because it has some features that we've been waiting for a long time. I don't know if you can see that here. Front display. Let's see, you can see here. Already we have a new camera. Alright, camera, let's see. Oh yeah, okay. Front display. This is a very big change. GoPro is getting rid of the plastic case. Let me see, I think I have the GoPro Hero 8 box right here. I have it here. All done. This is how they were sending out of the retail box of the GoPro. I think since the beginning of GoPro, or they're sending that with the plastic case. Useless because after you open the camera, so you buy the camera, you unbox the camera, and you cannot use that for anything. So right now you have a box that you can use. See it there? Let's see. Oh yes, it has the GoPro logo here, and let's see what is inside. Great. First we have the USB-C cable, our new GoPro camera. Yep, have here. Out of focus. A new battery. This is very important. You are not going to be able to use the GoPro Hero 8, 7, 6, 5 batteries with the GoPro Hero 9. They're not compatible, backward compatible anymore. It's bigger than before, so they claim that we should have a better battery life with this one, but we have to test that because right now, as I say, we have a front display, so we didn't have that before. You have 5K in this camera, so you have some features that maybe are going to be demanding more battery power. So let's see if that's true, if we can get more battery out of this, because we have some features that are more demanding of power. They have 5K, they have some features that they want that use, and even if you have a bigger battery, you have features that want that power, so they need that power. As I say, we have a usable, reusable case. You can throw that away, and you have subscribe to GoPro. I think you have right now, if you want to buy the GoPro Hero 9, and you can get it for $349 if you subscribe to GoPro service, and you can get unlimited cloud storage and camera replacement. Something happened with your camera, they replace the camera, no questions. This is a good one, and let me tell you something, I use this a lot. I have bunches of I don't know if you can see all the boxes. Oh, I have all the boxes there. See there, bunches of GoPro accessories, and I've been using this discounts for that. Very useful. GoPro accessories are expensive. They're good quality but expensive, so you can use that discount with the GoPro subscription, and up to $100 off on your next GoPro. As I say, I use that because I have the subscription since the GoPro Hero 8, so I use it for this. So I bought this camera. This is not a witch, but I bought this with my own money. GoPro, next time you can send me one of these. The GoPro 10, I will dissect that so I can review and unboxing the camera, but I bought it with my own money, and I got the $100 discount because I already have the GoPro subscription, so it worth it. So think about it. Maybe you're not gonna use the cloud because we have so many clouds right now. Amazon, Google Drive, Dropbox, you name it. You should have one of those already. But the discounts and the replacement of the camera, if something happened to the camera, they replace the camera, and the $100 off of the new camera is good. So the new GoPro Hero 9, I'm very excited about this. Let me tell you why. I just did a review on the display mod for the GoPro Hero 8. Let me bring that on. So that's why I'm really excited about this. This was too late. This came out just like 3 weeks ago. Was supposed to be out around 6 months ago. It's $79.99. For you to be able to use this, you should buy this first. Another $79.99, so $150 more. Now you have it embedded on this camera. That's why I'm excited, because even if this camera is a little bit bigger than the Hero 8, you have a front display in this one. I believe is 1.5 inch, that's 2, but you have it. This is something that we've been waiting for from GoPro for a long time. I believe since GoPro Hero 7 or 6, the DJI Osmo Action already have the front display, so GoPro was so late with the front display. Something that came back from older versions, let me check this out, from older version is that now you can change the lens. As before they were, I don't know how to do it, they was something that I don't know how to use it. I don't want to break it on camera. So that will be for the review. The Hero 8, there was some critics that the Hero 8 had this because it was not replaceable. You know that if something happened to the lens, you were not able to replace the lens. You will have to send this to GoPro, and if you have the subscription, they send you a new camera, or they if you don't have it, maybe they fix it for you and charge you something for that. But there was some of the no or bad things about the GoPro Hero 8. Now the replaceable lens came back from the, well, I believe the last one was a GoPro Hero 7. Now we have it back on GoPro Hero 9. 5K, that's another one. They said that the difference is not that big on the video part, but if you want to take pictures or take a picture out of the video. If you are recording on 5K, you have a better quality image, so you can take an still from the video if you are recording on 5K, and you can get a better picture out of the video that way. So we need to test that, and they have some other features, new features about that. You have I believe a 23.6 megapixel sensor here for video, and for stills I believe you have a 20 right now. Let's say bigger battery, and it's gonna ask me for too many things if I turn on this right now, but let's do it. Something that I like about GoPro is that this is a new version, but have bunches of accessories that I can still use with this camera. Some of the accessories are not compatible. I believe that the floaty is not compatible, so you need to, it's because of the new dimensions of the camera. This is a little bit bigger than this, so there are some things that you're not gonna be able to use with this camera. The floaty, the case, you have a clear case that if you are going deep in the water more than 30 meters, you will need that case. The case for the GoPro Hero 8 is not gonna work on this one, so you will need to buy that case. And I believe there's two or three more accessories, but the rest, if they have this kind of mount, it's going to work. So that's the beauty of GoPro. This is something I've been waiting for a long time on GoPro because of the front display, and it's because if you are trying to use this nothing comparable to this. If you are going to the beach or you're going on travel on a trip and you put this on your pocket, you have everything that you will need. The stabilization on this camera is amazing. So you want video, you will get it with this. You want pictures, personally I don't use the GoPro as a picture camera, the still camera. I use something else. It's not because it's bad, it's because if you want picture, you can get better pictures with other cameras, but this has take great pictures if you want something quick, and that's something that I love about this camera. You have everything on this small size. So if you are not following us on the social media, please do so on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And if you're not subscribed yet, do so. Click that subscribe button and the bell so you can get notifications about the new videos, including the review for the new GoPro Hero 9. And remember, all the links are going to be in the description below, so if you need to know more about this product or you want to buy it, you can use the link in the description below. And if you like this video, please give us one of these. It's gonna help us, and see you in the next one. Bye.